That's Cedric up there.
Oh,
Go, Cedric!
Cedric!
Cedric, go! He wants to go on his belly. Okay. One at a time up the ladder. One at a time. Dad or Grandma, I want to make sure they don't like fall on themselves. Thanks. What? It's so funny with the belly thing. You're such a weirdo. Come on, Dexter, do it right. Show him how it's done. Yeah! Woo! Hi, Dexter! Yay! Woohoo! And Cedric's climbing up a ladder. Gonna do the belly thing again.